to this update. Bienvenidos a este video. So let's see some things about a tropical wave here in the Atlantic that's already kind of affecting parts of South America there. So all of this moisture here, and there'll be some heavy rains in parts of the Guianas and Suriname in these next few days because of this tropical wave, even in northernmost Brazil there, and soon it will affect Venezuela and Trinidad and Tobago there. So let's see this simulated rain forecast. So in Guyana, there in Suriname, northern Brazil, the tropical rains there, and then the tropical wave kind of comes in there, and by late Saturday, there will be some rains in Trinidad and Tobago, approaching Barbados and some other areas, but they leave soon, and there will be some more showers on Sunday and late Saturday in parts of the Lesser Antilles there, and some storms in Venezuela, many areas in Colombia too. So let's see the rainfall accumulation the next 12 hours. So 12 hours showing some hot spots in Guyana there because of this tropical rains and tropical wave. In northern Guyana there, parts of southern Guyana, some more heavy rain. Now next 24 hours, more in Suriname, Guyana, southern Venezuela, northern Brazil. Not much difference, but when you go to 3 days, it's a lot. More in parts of Suriname, Guianas, Venezuela, mainly central southern Venezuela, but there can be some in northern Venezuela, Colombia, northern Brazil. The next 5 days, way more in western Colombia, Venezuela, and Guyana, lots more too, Suriname, northern Brazil, and more areas there. So be aware of this coming rains there because of this tropical wave. So let's see here the rains there, and then soon, by the beginning of June, these tropical waves might make it to the Central Caribbean there, and some models are hinting that it might develop something in the Central Caribbean there by the first week of June or something, but we'll make a different video on that in case we need to. So let's see here the dust now, if there's some dust still. So little dust, but there are lots more in the Atlantic there and parts of the Cabo Verde, but some lingering dust in parts of the Caribbean. So there's this new dust plume showing up here that might start affecting the Lesser Antilles by Sunday the 26th. So Monday, more dust in the Eastern Caribbean too. Tuesday, so be aware from Sunday to Tuesday and beyond of some air quality and low visibility there. So let's see this thunderstorm forecast map. So in Venezuela, Peru, Guiana's there, some other areas, and even by Sunday in parts of the Lesser Antilles, maybe some thunderstorms there. And I focused the rain accumulation too much on South America. Let's see for the Caribbean. So next 5 days, some in Trinidad and Tobago, in the Lesser Antilles, some more areas of accumulation there. Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, some more. And Costa Rica, Panama, very busy there with the tropical rains. Nicaragua, next 5 days, like a little accumulation, but some areas with more. And Guatemala and southwestern Mexico, mainly on the Pacific coast. The same for Honduras there, and El Salvador. So let's see waves. So no big waves now, just some areas in the Gulf of Mexico, maybe in the Eastern Caribbean, but it's very calm in the coast of Nicaragua, the Caribbean coast, but some rougher waves near Belize and Honduras there. So let's see. As the wind comes, some bigger waves in the Caribbean by Monday, but no big, I think. So, wind gusts, yes, in parts of the ocean there near Belize and Honduras, in the Gulf of Mexico. Scare gust here in other parts. And this is it, I think.